Alexander Bay Diamonds e qoswa ka ditumelano tsa sephiri tsa thekiso ya taemane ka tshebediso ya khamphane ya mmuso ya Alexkor le ho theola boleng ba thekiso ya ditaemane ka diperesente tse 30. SIU e re diphuputso tsa yona di tla tsepamisa maikutlo ho tsamaiso e maphemphe ya mebaraka boleng ba taemane le kuno ya yona.
We are looking at different facets. The first part is the contract that was entered into between Alexander Bay, at the time it was called something else, SSI I think it was called, and whether that contract was entered into in a fair manner, whether everybody was given an opportunity. That is the first thing that we're looking into. And then we also look into this devaluing of the diamonds, because those diamonds belong to the people of this country. And then what we are then looking at is, the third thing is, who are the people who are buying this?
Khanyago o re bang khalefo tha ditlolong tsa molao ho ya ka tlaleho ya tsutsumetso e bolotsana diqetong tsa mmuso ba tlilo jelwa thepa le ho le ba tjhankaneng.
We have read the report of the state capture, and we are going to then put those dots together to make sure that we get to a conclusion. And some of the parts that are missing is what we are here for, because we are saying you cannot work for the state and say the documents that you have are not accessible to the state.
SIU e re godiseile hore khamphane ya Alexander Bay Diamonds ina le nyewe yeo e lokelang ho arabela ka morao ha pathepa meahong ya yona.